Today is a market day. I'm going to one of the biggest markets around here. So I'm taking Queen Nancy there. We're about to enter in the market to go and do a little shopping, buy a few things, and then we go home and cook them. I'm here with Nancy. She's setting up her things. We're out of the market. We're done shopping.
Yes, I'm here with my market.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a brand new day. So today is a market day. I'm going to one of the biggest markets around here. So I'm taking Queen Nancy there. Since she came to Uganda, she has not been to a village market. So I'm going to take her there to a village market so that we do some shopping and she has the experience of how village markets are here. So this market we're going to is where people usually go to buy things from, then they come and sell in the towns. People from Congo also come and buy there. So it is where I'm taking her, and I'm meeting her in a few minutes. So I'm not going to do much of the vlogging in the market because she is going to be the one to do the vlogging in the market. So kindly go to her YouTube channel, subscribe. I'm going to leave her link in the description. Her channel link in the description. She's called Queen Nancy, Queen_Nancy, and she's a Kenyan YouTuber who came to Uganda, and particularly to the northern part of Uganda, and she's here with me in Arua. So my board has arrived. Let me jump on the border and we go. I'm meeting her at a certain point, and then we continue, and in about 20 minutes we'll be there. So see you all. So guys, we've reached the marketplace, and we're about to enter in the market to go and do a little shopping, buy a few things, and then we go home and cook them. I'm here with Nancy. She's setting up her things. Yeah, so we're going to go in. She's going to do most of the vlogging. I will not do a lot of it. So you'll head over to her channel, and you'll find the videos in her channel. I'm going to leave her link in the description. So go and watch all of it from there. So we've reached the market. It's right behind us. If you can see people over there. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, so let's go and get some, let's go and get some tomatoes and onions. No, that is side.
We can get another
We can still move like this. Let's move like this and then we get in. Because if I chop this sugar cane, carrying it is going to be hard. We shall find someone from out there if they have a panga knife, and then let's go. They have given me the money. And you see this charcoal here? I asked, they told me a basin is at 5,000. But you see, we buy there at 10,000. Yeah, we buy a basin at 10,000 from the other side. Yeah. How are your grinding machines? This is how ours are here in Uganda. We're out of the market. We're done shopping.
Yes, I'm here with my market.
So we're going home now. So I'll talk about the market experience when we're in a less crowded place. It's still too crowded and noisy. After the market, I had to pass by home, also to pick a few things from home, some things that my mom had bought for me earlier on. So here I am at home, and this is my sister helping me to pack the things that I had bought and those that I picked from home, just helping me to pack them in a sack. And you know, when you always go home, you don't come empty-handed. If you have anything to pick, you'll always pick. You know, mothers, they'll always make sure that you leave home with something. So this was my younger sister packing things for me because it was time to come back to where I stay, because I do not live with my parents. Yeah, I live on my own, but I always go back to check on them. So this just happened to be one of the days, and as you can see from a distance, Nancy is coming. Yeah, so I was with her as you saw earlier on in the video. So it was time for us to come back to town because my mom lives very far in the village, so we had gone to see her, and so it's time to come back to town. too. So yeah, that is it, guys. You'll just grab me. So we came to the market, bought things. How was the market?
The market was nice. It's just the same as the markets we have in Kenya. Yeah. But we do have some that have stalls. I guess also we have some in Uganda that have stalls.
Yeah.
But basically, village markets in Kenya, you go with your commodities, you spread them on the ground, and people buy.
Yeah, so that is it. We bought stuff, and now we came home and strolled around. So it's time to go back.
Yes.
So where we live. So see you.